Have you ever, tried to speak English and nothing comes out? Your mouth just stops? Yeah, I know that feeling. Hey guys, I'm Luna. Welcome back to English Pod Center. And today, we are going to fix a big problem, a huge problem actually. You are thinking too much. Wait, no, that sounds bad. I mean, you are translating too much. You hear a word in English, then, you change it to your language in your head. Then you think of your answer, and then you change it back to English. Wow, that is so much work. It is like running with a heavy backpack. Very, very heavy. You want to run fast, but you just can't because the backpack slows you down. Translating is that heavy backpack.
Let me give you an example. Last week, I talked to a student. Let's call him Tom. Tom is great. He knows so many words. But when he talks, he pauses a lot. He goes, I want to go to the... You know why? Because his brain is working so hard.
He is doing double the work. He is speaking two languages at the very same time, his first language and English. It is so tiring. Your brain gets so tired. And when you are tired, you feel nervous, right? Am I right? When you translate, you lose the conversation. The other person is already talking about something else, and you are still, making your sentence. It makes you so angry. You feel stupid. But wait, you are not stupid. Not at all. You are just using a bad system, like an old phone that is really slow. We need to upgrade your brain today. We need to make you think in English. But how? People always say, just think in English. And I hate that. I really, really hate it. Because, how do you do it? It is not a magic button. You can't just press a button and say, okay, now I think in English. No. It takes steps, very small steps. And today, I am going to show you exactly what to do. I will give you a real rule, a simple rule you can use right now, today. Okay, so here is the first step. Wait, actually, no, let me ask you a question first. What do you see around you right now? Just look around your room, or look out the window on the bus, wherever you are. You probably see a table, or a phone, or maybe a dog. Now, when you see the dog, what happens in your head? Be honest with me. You think the word in your language, right? You see the animal, and your brain says your word for dog. And then you think, oh, right, in English, that is dog. That is exactly the problem. That is the big, bad monster we need to fight. Because when you do that, you lose time, 3 seconds. And 3 seconds is a very long time in a conversation. People just look at you. They stare. And you feel very bad and nervous. So here is my rule. I call it the name it rule. Wait, is that a good name? Yeah, the name it rule. It is very, very simple. When you look at something, only use the English word. Do not use your language. Look at a cup. Say cup. Say it in your head. Or say it out loud. Cup. Just cup. Do not translate. Connect the picture of the cup to the English word. Direct connection. Like a road. A road with no stops in the middle. You started the picture, you go straight to English. This is so important. I mean, literally, this will change everything for you. But I know what you are thinking. Luna, that is too easy. I know the word for cup. What about big sentences? What about difficult grammar? Calm down. We will get there. But you have to walk before you run. Actually, wait, that is a hard phrase. You have to do step 1 before step 2. That is better for a beginner, right? So try it right now with me. Point at 3 things in your room. Right now, I am waiting. Okay, did you do it? Did you say book, chair, wall? Good. If you did that, you just thought in English. See? It is very, very simple. You didn't think in your language first. You just looked at the book and said book. That is a big win. Like, seriously, give yourself a high five. Okay, maybe don't hit your phone screen. But what comes next? Single words are easy, right? But we don't speak in just one word. We speak in full sentences. And that is where people have problems, because you want to say a big, long sentence. So you make it in your head, in your first language, and then you translate every single word. It takes like maybe 10 seconds, and the other person is just waiting, looking at you like, hello, are you okay? It makes you feel so nervous. I know that feeling. It is very bad. So here is the next trick for you. I call it the action rule. Wait, no, that sounds boring. Let's call it the fast action trick. Yeah, I like that much better. So look at what you are doing right now. For example, I am drinking coffee. Wait, it is cold. Yuck, I forgot I had it. Anyway, I don't think about the action in another language. I just feel the cold coffee in my mouth, and the English words just come to my brain. I am drinking. You must connect the English word to the real-life action, not to a word in your dictionary. Think of it like a very angry waiter. Imagine a grumpy waiter at a restaurant. He is angry, he is busy, he wants to know your food order right now. He says, "What do you want? Fast!" You don't have time to look in your phone to translate. You just point and say, "Burger, water." Food makes everything easy to understand, right? But really, you need to feel the words. So practice time again. What are you doing in real life, right now? Are you sitting? Are you walking? Say it out loud. Now, just say, I am sitting. Or, I am driving. Wait, actually, please don't watch a video if you are driving. Keep your eyes on the road. But you know what I mean. Just do the action. You might ask, but wait, Luna, what if I don't know the word? What if the word is just missing in my head? That is a very, very good question. And it happens to everyone, even to me, and I speak English all the time. When you forget a word, you just need to
Just describe it. Yeah, you just describe the thing. Like, let's say you forget the word for umbrella. You are outside. It is raining. And you think, oh no, I need what is the word in my language? Stop right there. Do not translate. Just think, the thing for rain.
the big hat for rain. I know, it sounds funny, but people will understand you. If you say, I need the rain thing, they will help you. They will say, oh, you mean an umbrella. And boom, you learned a new word without using a dictionary. See? It is like a fun game. You just use the easy words you already know. Wait, what was I saying? Oh, right, it is very powerful. So let's practice together right now. Are you ready? Look at something near you. Maybe it is a cup, or a pen, or a cat, if you have a cat. Now try to talk about it in your head. This is my cup. It is blue. I drink hot coffee from it. Very easy, right? You do not need big, hard words. You just need to try. Every single day, even for just like 5 minutes. 5 minutes a day is, well, it is better than 0 minutes. That is true math. But seriously, you can do this. I know you can, because my beginner students do it all the time. They start very slow, and then one day they say, Luna, I had a dream in English. Dreaming in English? That means your brain is really thinking in English. So I have a small challenge for you today. Tonight, before you go to sleep, I woke up, I ate food, I worked. Just simple things. Tell me in the comments if you did it. Okay, I think that is all for today. If you liked this, please follow and subscribe. You are listening to English Pod Center. I am Luna, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone. Keep practicing.